Welcome to my crib. Look what I got in the mail today. My 100 subscriber plaque. I don't know about you, but after this long crib tour, I'm pretty hungry. So let's see what I have in my fridge. We have sushi. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a minute. Cool and trendy people do Postmates now. I can't have this. I can't believe I ever thought that I was gonna eat store-bought sushi. Yeah, hello Postmates, I need sushi. Thank you. That must be my Postmates. Even gave me chopsticks. Bless. So, in case you were wondering, which I know you were, I am a classic California roll type of girl. I'm a chopsticks type of girl. And I'm a ginger type of girl. But I
do not
do soy sauce or wasabi. They decided to give me a whole avocado. They also gave me a whole cucumber. Look who's being healthy today. Okay, yeah, that's it. Please don't watch me. Don't watch me eat. It makes me uncomfortable. Thank you. So I came up. Here to make some popcorn, but some beautiful angel already made some. So you know I got that white cheddar. If you don't do it, what's wrong with you?
Now that the hair is up, we went from Serena to New George to Gwen Stefani.
Aw.
Is this allowed? Is that allowed?
Let's have a chat about awkward confrontation. Did this confrontation ever actually happen? No. Is this popcorn stale? Yes. But, you know what? It was free. We're not complaining. I was FaceTiming Aiden because I was terrified because I saw a door swing open in the corner of my eye. I went into the hall and I was like, oh, I should show him some of the pictures on the wall. I was just walking down the hall and right there around the corner, this is what I see. All the air was taken out of me and I fell to the ground. I went to post about it on my Snapchat story and someone comes into the building from down the hall. And I was like, oh, this is awkward. I'm just like sitting on the floor at the end of the hallway alone. It looks like I'm talking to myself, so I would just stand up. So I stood up and then she kept walking and so I was like, okay, if she's gonna keep walking, I will walk away. I started walking back to my apartment and she kept walking and I turned around and that apartment she went into was the one I was standing right next to. So that's awkward. I went to the staircase door and I saw my own reflection and I jumped. Story time. I'm haunted by myself.